Hello friends, I am Virabhadra. I am welcoming you to the subject cell biology. Who discovered microscope? These are the important concepts today. Let us have a discussion on the discovery of microscope. I am Virabhadra, retired geoanalytical marine chemist, Geological Survey of India, Kalyan Nagar, Bangalore. Friends, I would like to divert your attention towards the origin and evolution of micro or the macro organisms on planet Earth. Microbiology, bacteria, more than just pathogens, can be friend or foe. History of microscopes. Okay, history of microscopes. Let us have a brief discussion on this. History of microscopes around 4000 years, around 5th century BC, ancient Greek science reveals about the optical properties of water-filled spheres. The concept of microscope was followed by many aspirants who are interested in science on those days. History of science reveals that Zacharias Janssen discovered microscope. This gentleman. And Hans Lippershey, this gentleman, was a German-Dutch spectacle maker trained to observe the distant object or the space objects using telescopes. It is uncertain that who was the discoverer of the microscope. Up to in 1609, Galileo Galilei was an Italian astronomer, physicist, revealed the first device known as microscope. This Galileo, this person, this is the person who is responsible for the discovery, the device known as microscope he discovered. He was an Italian astronomer. Next, Robert Hooke discovered his simple microscope to study the microbial object. This gentleman, Robert Hooke, was a great scientist who discovered, and his contribution toward the cell biology is wonderful. This is his telescope, a special telescope. This is bacteriophage. This is Robert Hooke, 1635 to 1703, born on the Isle of Wight, one of the most ingenious men who ever lived. He was the person responsible for the cell structure of cork by Hooke, and Hooke's drawing of the flea, and his the famous simple microscope, handcrafted leather and gold tooled microscope. This is the person, his contribution towards cell biology is the simple microscope. Afterwards, many microscopes have been updated. First microscope, Dutch spectacle makers Zacharias Janssen and Hans Lippershey are noted as the first men to develop the concept of compound microscope. In the olden days, the great ancient science regarding ancient Greek science reveals about the optical properties of water-filled spheres. Lens improvement in 16th century, Archenva Leeuwenhoek, a lens maker, is improved the quality of lens, helped in the discovery of microscopes magnification. Such quality lenses helped in the discovery of microscopic organisms like bacteria, viruses, cells in cell biology. I am going to conclude with the microscope today. Is the good old handcraft leather and gold tooled microscope by Robert Hooke, and the simple microscope, the pictures from Encyclopedia Britannica for the view of the students, the parts of the microscope which will helpful for the secondary school students and college going students. And this is the electron microscope, which is advanced compound microscope, which is used for the investigation purpose, their discovery purposes. This is the electron microscope, which is a very advanced technology, sophisticated electron microscope, which has got a predominant role in cell biology today. Like, share, subscribe. Veerabhadraya Demaya, contact 966382848. Thank you.